Hello, children. I hope you all are happy and strong today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day, we will sing and dance. We will also have a lot of fun together. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और साथ मिलकर बहुत मजे करेंगे. Are you all ready to have some fun? Please stand up and come a little closer to your TV. Please खड़े हो जाएं और टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now, I request all of you to join me in this wonderful song. Children, today we will sing the vegetable song. Carrots, peas and beetroots, oh, all of them are so good. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. I eat my veggies every day, in the night and in the day. Now clap your hands if you do this too. Corn, cucumber and cauliflower are veggies that make us stronger. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. Beans, radish and potatoes always keep us on our toes. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. I hope you all had fun singing and dancing with me. Now let us learn some new words. चलो अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं. F I G H T I N G. Fighting, fighting, fighting. Rahul and Seema are always fighting with each other. C A R R Y I N G. Carrying, carrying, carrying. Prabha is carrying a very heavy bag. P I C K E D. Picked, picked, picked. Rina picked up an apple from the basket. J U M B I N G. jumping, jumping, jumping. Priya is always jumping on her bed. S T R O N G. Strong, strong, strong. Eating green leafy vegetables makes us strong. Now I will read these words once again. But this time I want all of you to try and read these words with me. अब मैं इन शब्दों को एक और बार दोहराऊंगी. इस बार मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ दोहराने की कोशिश करें. Are you all ready? Let's go. Our first word is fighting. Can you all try to say fighting? Very good. Our second word is carrying. Can you all try to say carrying? Great. Our next word is picked. Can you try to say picked? Very good. Our next word is jumping. Can you try to say jumping? And our last word is strong. Can you try to say strong? Very good. I hope all of you were able to repeat these words after me. Children, let me ask you all a question. Are you all good at everything? क्या आप सभी हर एक काम में माहिर हैं? Now let me tell you something. I am very bad at math. मैं मैथ में बहुत कमजोर हूँ. लेकिन my friend is very good at math. मेरा जो दोस्त है वो मैथ में बहुत होशियार है. Similarly, I am very good at dancing. मुझे डांस करना बहुत अच्छे से आता है. But my friend is not so good at dancing. मेरा जो दोस्त है उसे डांस इतने अच्छे से करना नहीं आता. This tells us that each one of us has our own unique quality. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि हर एक इंसान की अपनी अपनी अलग खूबी होती है. All of us are unique in our own way. In today's story, we will see how animals are also very unique in their own way. Each animal is different and each of them have a different quality. आज की कहानी में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे हमारी ही तरह जानवरों में भी अलग-अलग खूबियां होती हैं. So please open page number 52 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words with me. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट है तो अपनी उंगली को इस तरह मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. If you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me carefully. लेकिन अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. The name of our chapter is Who is Better? Once upon a time, there lived a monkey and an elephant in a forest. One day, they started fighting. I am very strong. I am good at carrying heavy logs. Ha ha ha! But I am very quick. I am good at jumping from one tree to another. Here we saw how one day an elephant and a monkey were fighting with each other. The elephant was telling the monkey that he was very strong. He told the monkey that he could lift heavy logs very easily. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे एक दिन एक बंदर और एक हाथी आपस में झगड़ रहे थे। हाथी ने बंदर से कहा कि वो बहुत ही ज्यादा ताकतवर है। वो लकड़ी के बड़े-बड़े टुकड़े आसानी से उठा पाता है। This is when the monkey told the elephant that he was very quick. He could jump from one tree to the other very easily. तब जाके बंदर ने हाथी से कहा कि वो बहुत ही ज्यादा तेज है। वो एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़ पर बहुत आसानी से छलांग मार लेता है। Now let us see what happens next. Who is fighting loudly? I want to sleep. Sorry, very sorry. Please tell us who is better, the elephant or I? He is strong, but I am quick. Don't worry, we will find out. There is a mango tree just across the river. Go and bring one sweet ripe mango from there. Then I will tell you who is better. Now, the elephant and the monkey were fighting so loudly that they woke up an owl from his sleep. Now, the owl wanted to know who was fighting so loudly. This is when the monkey apologized to the owl and asked him who was the better one. Was it monkey or was it the elephant? Now, the owl is very wise. He asked both of them to go and get a ripe, sweet mango from a tree that was across the river. He said he will tell who is better after they get the mango. अब यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे हाथी और बंदर इतने जोरों से झगड़ रहे थे कि उन्होंने एक आउल यानी एक उल्लू को अपने नींद से जगा दिया। अब ये आउल जानना चाहता था कि इतने जोरों से भला कौन झगड़ रहा है। तब बंदर आउल के पास गया और उससे माफी मांगी और उससे पूछा कि हाथी या बंदर इन दोनों में से बेहतर कौन है। तब आउल ने उनसे कहा कि वो नदी पार करके वो जो पेड़ है वहां से एक मीठा आम लेकर आए, तब वो उन्हें जवाब देगा। Who do you think wins? Let us find out. Then strolled the elephant and hopped the monkey to the river bank. Oh, I am afraid to cross the river. Water is very deep. I am going back. Don't worry, dear. Jump on my back and we will cross the river. After walking for a while, the elephant and the monkey come across a river. Now the monkey is very scared. He says that he is afraid of the water. It is very deep. What do you think the elephant says? The elephant asks the monkey to jump on his back because the elephant is strong and he is not afraid of the water. So both of them cross the river together. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे थोड़ी ही दूर चलने के बाद हाथी और बंदर के सामने एक नदी आई। अब बंदर नदी को देखकर घबरा गया क्योंकि नदी बहुत गहरी थी और बंदर बहुत छोटा, तो उसे लगा कि वो डूब जाएगा। ये देखते ही हाथी ने बंदर से कहा कि बंदर उसके पीठ पर चढ़ जाए और वो दोनों साथ मिलकर नदी पार करने लगे। Both of them crossed the river. There was a mango tree with sweet, yellow, ripe mangoes, but they were on high branches. Oh no! I can't reach. How can I give the mango to the owl? That's easy. Let me do it. The monkey jumped on the mango tree quickly and picked up a sweet, ripe mango. Now, after crossing the river, they came across the mango tree. But the mango was very high. Now, the elephant could not reach the mango. This is when the monkey said that he will pick the mango. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे नदी पार करने के बाद वो दोनों मैंगो ट्री के सामने पहुंचे। मैंगो ट्री यानी आम का पेड़। लेकिन यहाँ हाथी उस ऊंचे आम के पेड़ पर नहीं पहुंच पा रहा था। तब बंदर ने कहा कि कोई बात नहीं, आम वो ऊपर चढ़ के तोड़ लेगा। They came back to the wise old owl and gave him the mango. He was very happy. Now you tell me, who is better? Elephant and monkey forgot their fight, and the owl forgot its nap. I am strong. The monkey is quick. And you are wise. All of us are good at something. What about you, my friends? What are you good at? Now both of them come back to the owl and give him the mango. Now the owl asks them, who do they think is better? This is when the elephant says that the owl is very wise, the monkey is very quick, and the elephant is very strong. So, all of us have our own unique quality. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे आम तोड़ने के बाद वो दोनों चलकर आउल के पास पहुंचे। अब आउल ने आम लेकर उनसे पूछा कि क्या लगता है तुम्हें, तुम में से कौन बेहतर है? तब हाथी ने जवाब दिया कि आउल बहुत चतुर है, बंदर बहुत तेज और हाथी बहुत ताकतवर। इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि हम सभी में अपनी अपनी खूबी होती है। Children, in this story we learned that just like us, animals also have their own unique quality. इस कहानी में हमने सीखा कि कैसे हमारी ही तरह जानवरों में भी अपनी अपनी अलग खूबी होती है. Now let us do something fun. On your screen, you will see names of different months. And these names will also have some numbers written with them. You have to look at these numbers carefully and arrange these months in the correct order. 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. अब आपको आपके स्क्रीन पर अलग अलग महीनों के नाम नजर आएंगे. इन नामों के साथ साथ नीचे छोटे में कुछ नंबर्स भी दिए हैं. आपको इन नंबर्स को ध्यान से देखना है और उन्हें उनके सही ऑर्डर यानी सही क्रमांक में लिखना है. Now let us look at the answer. Children, can you find the number 1? Yes, the number 1 is January, which means that the first month is January. सबसे पहला महीना January है. Now let us look for the number 2. The number 2 is February, which means after January comes February. Now let us look for the number 3. Children, can you find the number 3 anywhere? Yes, the number 3 is with March, which means after February comes March. Now, can you see the number 4? Yes, the number 4 is with April. So after March comes April. Now the number 5. Got it? The number 5 is with May, which means yes, after April comes May. Can you see the number 6 anywhere? Yes, the number 6 is with June. Now this means that after May comes June. Now let us look for the next month. Where is number 7? Yes, the number 7 is with July. This means that after June comes July. Can you see the number 8? The number 8 is with August. This means that after July comes August. Now let us look for the number 9. The number 9 is with September. So after August comes September. Children, Can you find the number 10 anywhere? The number 10 is with October. So after September comes October. Now the last two numbers, 11 and 12. 11 is with November and 12 is with December, which means after October comes November and then December. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.